How to put Instagram link on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is you need to get your Instagram username, whether by copying it or memorizing it. And once you do that, you need to go back and navigate to your Facebook profile page. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the information section, and from there click on edit public details, and then you need to scroll all the way to the end of the page till you find links, and then click on add next to them. From social links, click on add social link, then select the platform from the drop down to be Instagram, and then paste your username or type it here. Once you do that, Facebook will recognize this Instagram account, so click on save at the top of the screen to continue. And once you go back to your profile page, you will see that Facebook has added your Instagram as in your info section, from which when people click on it, they will be redirected to your Instagram account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add an Instagram account to your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next